Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it on by tapping on the same one. You can always go into settings instead, scroll down and click on location section over here. Then manage it by clicking on this sweater under location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!